The next step is to add caption to a clip. You can subtitle the audio of your clip. Imagine you having to type what you have said in the clip one after the other. That is going to be tedious thing to do. But the software has an inbuilt capability. That's an auto caption that you can apply to your audio. To apply auto caption to your audio, that is to subtitle the audio of your reel, simply locate text at the upper left side of your software. Locate text and locate auto caption. So locate auto caption and click on auto caption. After clicking on auto caption, it gives you some options to fill to select the language in which the clip or the video was recorded in. So my example is recorded in English. I'm going to select English, and that will be all you need to adjust. Then I'll click on create. As you click on create, the AI of the software will automatically create a caption for your video. So the duration of your video determines how long it's going to take for the software to achieve that. Now this is just about 50 seconds video, so it shouldn't take long. Now I click on creating auto caption. Now the auto caption is complete. Let's see the result.
Follow me for more if you have difficulties increasing your followership organically. Here are the 4 steps you should follow to increase your reach.
Alright, that's very good. But as you can see, the default font and the layout of the caption used by the software is very bare. Let's make it better and beautiful by choosing from the list of templates in the software. In order to do that, simply go to the template, click on one of the text, and look to the right hand side of the software. There you see template. Click on template and then scroll through the list of templates to select one of them that suits you. I'll go for this particular one. I'll do this. Once you click on it, it will be applied. Let's play to see the result.
Follow me for more if you have difficulties increasing your followership organically.
Very good.
Here are the 4 steps you should follow.
I love it. Now that is how to add auto caption to your reel. The next step is to create thumbnail for a video clip.